Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class, chapter life processes, and the topic is excretion. Now students, today we will discuss some important 1 marks question of the topic excretion. Now the question 1 is, how are waste formed in the body? Now the waste are formed in the body as byproducts of metabolic activities in the body. So as we all know, our body is continuously working. Okay, so many types of metabolic waste are produced as a byproduct, and these waste are need to be continuously removed from the body. Next question is, define excretion. The removal of harmful and unwanted toxic waste products of metabolism from the body is known as excretion. So the process of removing these metabolic waste is known as excretion. Question number 3 is, define osmoregulation. The process by which the water content and the iron concentration is regulated and kept constant in the cell is known as osmoregulation. Question number 4. Name an organ that performs both excretion and osmoregulation. So the answer is kidney. Question number 5. What is secretion? Give 2 examples. Now secretion is the production of useful chemical substances, for example hormone, enzymes or other molecules by glands. Endocrine glands or specialized cells. Okay, so as we all know, the hormones, enzymes, various types of chemical substances, they are produced by glands, endocrine glands and specialized cells. Just for example, let's see, like liver, it secretes bile. Islets of Langerhans, they secrete insulin. Epithelial lining of the large intestine that secretes mucus. Question number 6. What is egestion? The expelling of undigested waste from the body in the form of excreta is known as egestion. So excretion and egestion, these two terms are quite different. Egestion you have studied in digestive system. Okay, आप हमने फेजेस पढ़े थे डाइजेशन पूरा प्रोसेस के, जिसमें डाइजेशन पूरा कंप्लीट होता है, जिसमें लास्ट प्रोसेस था ईजेशन, दैट वाज द रिमूवल ऑफ अनडाइजेस्टेड वेस्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. What are the 3 main groups of excretory waste found in animals? So the 3 main groups are respiratory waste, nitrogenous waste and bile pigments. These are the 3 types of waste which is produced in animal. Question number 8. Name the 2 respiratory waste products formed due to catabolism of food. Now the 2 respiratory waste that is formed due to catabolism, they are carbon dioxide and water. Now catabolic process में क्या होता है? Complex substances they break into simple form. Okay, and anabolism में क्या होता है? Simple substances से complex substances का synthesis होता है. So these two terms are very important. You should know catabolism and anabolism. Question number 9. Mention 4 nitrogenous waste produced by animals. So the 4 types of nitrogenous waste. Okay. Now अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा था? 4 types of waste, जिसमें respiratory waste था, nitrogenous waste था, bile pigment. अब nitrogenous waste भी कितनी तरह के होते हैं? 4 types के होते हैं. यूरिया, uric acid, ammonia, amino acids. Now depending on the type of animal and the environment in which it lives, it decides what type of waste, nitrogenous waste will be excreted. ठीक है, जैसे अमोनिया जो है, यूजुअली जो एनिमल्स एक्वाटिक एनवायरनमेंट में रहते हैं वो एक्सक्रीट करते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज अमोनिया एक्सक्रीशन नीड्स अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. ओके, यूरिया जो इट नीदर नीड्स लॉट ऑफ वाटर नॉर लेस, मीडियम. ओके, यूरिक एसिड में जो है very less amount of water is used, and here the waste is excreted in the form of pellets, जैसे कि हमने देखा है birds के केस में. Okay, now next question. Question number 10. In higher animal, what does ammonia react with to produce urea? Now, in case of higher animals, the ammonia, it reacts with carbon dioxide in the liver, okay, to form a less toxic substance that is known as urea, and this is periodically removed through our urinary system. Okay, urine के form में ये remove होता रहता है periodically. Name two groups of animal which excrete uric acid in the form of white paste or pellets. So just now I have told you, so that is your birds and reptiles. Here the uric acid is excreted in the form of white paste, आपने देखा होगा, in the form of pellets, semi solid type का substance होता है. Okay, so this is excreted by birds and reptiles. So these are the few 1 marks important questions. Hope you liked it. Thank you everyone.